Welcome to the best picks. The best Dyson filter is probably one of the most important purchases you'll make for your Dyson vacuum cleaner, ensuring optimal suction and clean air in your home. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about the Dyson 20769-01 filter replacement, from identifying when it's time for a change to the step-by-step replacement process, ensuring your vacuum continues to perform at its peak efficiency and maintains a healthy home environment. Number 5. Lemige Dyson Filter Replacement. These filters are designed for select Dyson models, including the DC41, DC65, DC66, and several animal and ball models. Always check your model number before ordering to ensure a proper fit. They're perfect replacements for your Dyson vacuum if you own a DC41, DC65, DC66, UP13, UP20, or UP30 animal, multi-floor, or ball vacuum. However, please note that they are not compatible with several other Dyson models, so double-check your model number. This package includes 2 post-motor HEPA filters and 2 pre-motor filters. You'll receive everything you need to keep your vacuum running at peak performance. These premium HEPA filters effectively capture fine particles, dirt, pet dander, and other allergens as small as 0.3 microns. Enjoy cleaner air in your home. Simply hand wash them in warm water and let them air dry completely. For optimal performance, it's recommended to replace them every 2 to 3 months. Replacing them is quick and easy. We're committed to providing high-quality products and excellent customer service. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like? It comes with 2 pre-filters and 2 post-filters, so you'll always have a spare on hand. Its HEPA filters capture even the tiniest particles, keeping your home extra clean. If you need a convenient and affordable option with extras, this is the one for you. What people say. Got them, installed them in minutes, and used the vacuum. It was like we got a new Dyson vacuum cleaner. They seem to be of great quality and perfect fit. These work just as well. I had a whistling sound coming from my vacuum. These new filters solve that problem. Number 4. Dyson DC41 DC65 Filter Replacement. This filter is compatible with many Dyson models, including the DC41, DC65, and more. Check your model number to ensure compatibility before purchasing. It's made with high-strength materials and meets H12 efficiency standards. This ensures maximum filtration and maintains strong suction. Simply rinse it with clean water and let it air dry. You can reuse it multiple times, saving you money in the long run. Replacing it is quick and easy. Just remove the old filter and snap in the new one. No tools are needed. Regularly cleaning or replacing this filter will keep your vacuum running at its best. Enjoy a cleaner home with less effort. Keep your home clean and healthy. This filter helps create a relaxed and comfortable living environment for you and your family. What we like? This filter is made with high-strength materials for long-lasting performance. It boasts H12 efficiency, ensuring superior filtration. If you prioritize durability and top-notch filtration, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The replacement filter for my Dyson V8 Animal works exactly as advertised. It was easy to install, fits perfectly, and I noticed an immediate improvement in suction power. It effectively captures dust and pet dander, keeping the air fresh and clean. Fits my Dyson ball perfectly. Restored the high suction that the vacuum is capable of, and got rid of the foul smell that used to happen every time I used the vacuum. Seems identical to the OEM Dyson filters. Products fit perfectly and work as expected. No noticeable difference from manufacturer product. Number 3. Lemige filters for Dyson. These filters are designed to keep your Dyson vacuum running at peak performance. They're easy to install and will help maintain the suction power you expect. It works with many popular Dyson models, including the DC41, DC65, and UP series. Check the description to see if yours is compatible. They're made of high-strength materials to ensure optimal performance and block fine particles. Enjoy cleaner air in your home. Each package includes 1 post-filter and 1 pre-filter for complete cleaning power. It's a simple and effective way to maintain your vacuum. These filters are not compatible with all Dyson models. Please double-check the compatibility list before ordering to ensure a perfect fit. We are committed to providing premium products and efficient customer service. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. This option provides one pre-filter and one post-filter, perfect for those who want a simple, effective replacement. It uses premium materials for excellent filtration. If you're looking for a straightforward, high-quality replacement, this is it. What people say. It fit my DC42 perfectly and it works like new again. Both filters fit my Dyson ball perfectly. The vac worked as it should after installation. Perfect fit replacement for the filters in our Dyson vacuum. The new filters definitely improve the performance of our Dyson. Number 2. Improvedhand DC41 filters. These filters are designed to perfectly fit your Dyson DC41, DC65, DC66, UP13, and UP20 vacuum models. Enjoy improved suction and a healthier home. Made from high-strength, healthy materials, they ensure peak performance and a healthier lifestyle for you and your family. It's recommended to replace them every 2 to 3 months for best results. These pre-motor and post-filters significantly improve your vacuum suction power. Experience the same cleaning power as when it was brand new. Simply hand wash these filters with warm water and let them air dry. This extends their lifespan, saving you money and time. With high H12 filtering efficiency, these filters keep your home cleaner and your air healthier. Regular cleaning is recommended for optimal performance. We stand behind the quality of our filters. If you have any issues with quality or compatibility within 30 days, contact us for assistance. What we like. It includes 2 pre-filters and 2 post-filters, offering great value. The high-strength material ensures long-lasting use. If you want a washable, reusable option that saves you money in the long run, this is a great pick. What people say. These work great in my Dyson Animal 3 vacuum. I like to take it apart and clean it periodically, including both of the filters. Needed to replace for our Dyson and these are perfect. Several come in the pack and easy to replace. Fits perfectly. Was a little worried if these would fit our vacuum from Costco, as it does not match the brand's models listed exactly on Amazon. The filters worked fine and the vacuum feels back to the performance the day we bought it. Number 1. Dyson Filter Replacement Kit. This kit is perfect for keeping your Dyson vacuum running at its best. It includes everything you need for a quick and easy replacement. It's designed to fit several popular Dyson models, including the DC41, DC65, DC66, UP13, and UP20. Check your model number to ensure compatibility. Inside, you'll find 2 HEPA post filters, 2 pre-filters, and a handy cleaning brush. Everything you need for a thorough cleaning. These filters are made from high-strength materials, capturing up to 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. Keep your home cleaner and healthier. These filters are washable and reusable, saving you money in the long run. Simply rinse with clean water and let them air dry completely. Replacing your filters is quick and easy, no tools are required. It's recommended to replace them every 2 to 3 months for optimal performance. What we like. This set contains 2 pre-filters and 2 post-filters for extended use. It boasts 99.97% filtration efficiency, keeping your home exceptionally clean. If you need a highly effective and washable filter, this is the one for you. What people say. They are quick to replace on my vacuum and are working very well. Changing the filters on my Dyson Animal 2 was an excellent decision. I'm pretty sure the suction increased about 50% and brought the 7-year-old vacuum back to a like-new status. My vacuum was making noise and I realized the filters were totally clogged and beyond cleaning. I ordered these and they fit great. My vacuum works once again without the annoying noise. Easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.